Here comes the wind. It's gotten eerily dark out here. You can kind of see the rain coming over the trees in the distance. Here we go. The rest of Hurricane Arthur. Look at the flag blowing. There it is. Just out of nowhere. Straight downpour. Look at that. Went from being nothing to everything all at once. Ooh. Look at the wind whipping. I'm gonna try to stand out here and record as long as I can. If I start feeling unsafe, then I'm gonna go inside, but